Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. In today's guide video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Zoom account on your device. Now before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you'll not be able to delete your Zoom account from the application itself, so you must log in from the web browser in order to delete your account. Now you can use any web browser that is convenient to you, so as per this video, I'm using Google. Now as you open your web browser, in the search box type in www.zoom.com. So next you'll have a lot of options, so you'll have to tap on sign in or zoom.us. So next you will land inside the sign in page. So what you have to do is you'll have to enter the email address and the password that is associated with your Zoom account. So then enter your information. Now once you're done entering your information, tap on sign in, which is right at the bottom. So once you're logged in, on the profile page, right on top you can see profile, and just next to it, right in the corner, you can see small arrow icon. Tap on it. Now as you tap on the arrow icon, the page expands, and on the second step you can see admin, and under admin you can see list of options. So from here you'll have to tap on the second last option, that is account management. Now once again, as you tap on account management, the page expands. Now from here you'll have to tap on account profile. So next you will land inside the basic info page. Now do the same process, that is scroll down, and right at the bottom you can see terminate my account. Tap on it. Now as you tap on terminate your account, there is a pop-up window, so you'll have to enter your password before you delete your account. So then enter your correct password that is linked with your Zoom account. Now once you're done entering your password, so tap on continue, which is right at the bottom. So here as you can see that I'm logged out, which means that my account has been deleted, and that is how you can delete your Zoom account on your device. Now that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.